Yo, what is going on YouTube? In today's updated video, I'm going to be showing you how to get mods in Scary Baboon. This is working right now in 2026, actually requires no PC, you just need to use your mobile phone. And yeah guys, this is going to get you a secret mod menu in Scary Baboon, and this actually requires no third-party install or anything like that guys, because this unlocks a secret developer mod menu that already exists in the background. So before I show you how to get mods in Scary Baboon, make sure you do drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching on Google, watching YouTube tutorials and finding the best and fastest methods. So what you're going to want to do, like I said, this is a no PC method, so use your mobile internet browser. I'm using an iPhone here, and basically guys, you just need to have an internet connection. Of course, this is 2026, I'm sure you have one of those. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. Very important you type it correctly guys, and basically if you type crash coupons like this, it's going to bring you directly to a game code website. Now they actually have hundreds and hundreds of different game codes on here. Absolutely awesome website, and I've been searching for hours trying different code websites. This is definitely the best one. So I'm just going to use the search bar and basically just type in what we're looking for, Scary Baboon VR. This is the codes page here guys. Now there are a few different codes on this page. These are really popular. Thousands of people have been rating these very highly recently. So scroll down and look for the mod menu code. This is going to get access to secret mod menu in Scary Baboon, and this is the fastest method, and it is working right now in 2026. And this does get you a code you can redeem in-game, and it is going to unlock the secret mod menu. So this is no third-party application. Essentially, guys, because these are limited codes of 653, you do need to unlock your personal code, guys. I have already done this, and it does limit one code per person. But basically, what you're going to want to do is just tap on this button and follow the instructions on this screen here to unlock your code. You need to complete 2 of the 3 offers below, and that is going to unlock your Scary Baboon code from Crash Coupons. So essentially guys, you just got to follow the instructions and complete 2 of the tasks on this page. As you can see, they are all free, and they're really easy things like mobile applications. There's even like free surveys where you just tap on them and answer some questions. My internet's a bit poor, but basically guys, just complete a couple of the tasks, making sure you read the instructions and complete them. And once you do that, it's going to send you back to this page, and your Scary Baboon mod menu code will be unlocked. You can grab the code, redeem it in game, and that is how to get mods in Scary Baboon, guys. This is working with no PC in 2026. Head on over to Crash Coupons, find this page and select the mod menu code. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you do drop a like and subscribe for more.